it comes to the meat, for me the importance is in the quality of the meat. So I have here a Swedish dry aged, quite high and good marble beef, which has been hanging for 8 weeks. Alright, so I'm just gonna season both sides with salt and grounded fresh black pepper. Just a couple of drops of olive oil. And there. And now we are ready for the barbecue. So we now have a really good, nice, hot fire here. And we have divided into our 2 zones. So we're gonna grill fast on this side to create a nice crust, and then we're gonna move it over to this side and just let it rest for a few minutes there, and then we should have a lovely result. So now we're gonna leave it 3 to 4 minutes on each side so we get a nice and lovely color, and then later we're gonna move it over here for a few more minutes and then let it rest, and then we'll cut it up in small pieces. So it's now been like 3 to 4 minutes on each side. We have got a nice and lovely color. Then we're going to just move it over to this side and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. So, rested and ready, and now comes the fun part of this. It's absolutely perfect. And then the absolute best part of everything is to taste it.